Attention all leaders, are you ready to take your leadership to the next level? Join us for an exclusive 8-week masterclass on High Road Leadership, where we will explore the most important questions leader can ask themselves and dive deep into the value of doing what's right. In this masterclass, you will learn the importance of leading with confidence, bringing people together in a world that divides, and valuing all people. We believe that the right values help you stop making wrong choices, and the value of doing what's right outweighs the cost. This masterclass will be led by me, Robin Stoltman, and will include a digital participant guide, a hardcover book, this one, and a certificate of completion at the end. Plus, as a special bonus, you'll get access to a teaching from John C. Maxwell's Keynote on High Road Leadership inside the masterclass itself. Mark your calendars for Thursday, July 25th, 2024 at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time via Zoom. This 60-minute masterclass will run until September 20th, skipping August 16th. There will be no replays, so make sure to join us live, or be sure to join in one of the other 2 times this class is listed. The Zoom link will be emailed directly to you within 24 to 48 hours of purchase, along with the digital participant guide. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your leadership and lead with confidence. Sign up now and be a part of this transformation experience by clicking the link below.